Penny the Brave Pig. A story of self-belief, courage, and standing tall. In a quiet little farm surrounded by green hills and sunflowers lived a pig named Penny. She was pink, plump, and playful, but most of all, she was different. While the other pigs loved to roll in the mud and nap all day, Penny dreamed of running, jumping, and joining the farm animals in the annual Forest Gamesa contest of speed, balance, and bravery. Every time she brought it up, the others laughed. A pig? In the games? You'll trip on your own ears. Stick to mud baths, Penny. You're not made for that. Penny's ears drooped, but her heart whispered, why not me? I might not look like the others, but I can try. Every morning, while the others snoozed, Penny trained. She ran around the barn. She jumped over hay bales. She practiced balance on old wooden fences. She wasn't fast like the goat. She wasn't light like the chicken. But she was getting better, stronger, braver. The day of the forest games came. The crowd laughed when Penny stepped forward, but she just smiled and said, I may not be like the rest of you, but I believe in myself. The race began. Penny was slow but steady. In the balance challenge, she wobbled but never fell. In the final round, the mud maze, everyone else slipped and struggled, but not Penny. She danced through the mud like a pro. When the games ended, Penny didn't win first place, but she finished every round, smiling and proud. The crowd, once laughing, now stood to cheer. The announcer said, today, we saw not just skill but heart. Penny the Pig reminded us all that the bravest step is trying when no one believes in you. From that day forward, Penny became a hero on the farm, not for winning, but for never letting doubt define her. The lesson? You don't have to look like a winner to be one. Bravery is believing in yourself even when others don't.